Hello friends, my name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand a very important functionality, which is text to column. Text to column facility has been provided by Excel in order to convert a single column text into multiple column. The condition is the text has to be in a single column. If it's multiple column, then this particular functionality will not work. Just one example, here I have made a selection of two columns. I'm going to data tab and then text to column. It will generate an error and it's saying Microsoft Excel can convert only one column at a time. Yes, there can be multiple rows, but column has to be single. So I have made the selection like this. I'm going to text to column, and there you will find two options. The first option is delimited, second option is fixed width. So let's focus on delimited first. Delimited, it's saying characters such as commas or tabs separated each field. Let me elaborate it for you. Delimited means you can create a separation in the data on the basis of character. A character can be anything: space, hyphen, it can be underscore, dot, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, any alphabets. Yes, it could be anything. So I've selected delimited and I'm clicking on next. There is some list of delimiters like tab, semicolon, comma, which is not there in the data. Space, yes, it is there in this data. So I'm removing tab and selecting space. So you can see in place of space, separation has been created. Click on next and then finish. The data has been separated. Very easy. But what is the usefulness? Control Z I'm doing in order to undo this. And let's say from this data I want to get the mobile number only. So I'm going to text to column, delimited, next, not space, I'm going to other, and you may see here in this data before mobile number there is hyphen. So I've given hyphen. In other you can give anything like A or 1, but you can give a single character, not a word. Let's say I'm trying to type A and after that W, so it's not taking this. However, I'm giving hyphen, and you may see in this data that in place of hyphen, separation has been created. Now this is something very important, that whatever you are going to use as a delimiter, that will be removed from the data. Here you can't see hyphen because in place of it separation has been created. So click on next and then finish. So there is this data. Till now we have not got our mobile number, so again I have made the selection, text to column, again I am selecting delimited, next, and this time in place of hyphen I am giving dot, because there's dot after each mobile number. Next and then finish. I've got my mobile number. Now control Z in order to do, means I've undone whatever I've done till now. So you have understood how to make use of delimited. Now the second is fixed width. So I'm clicking on text to column, clicking on fixed width, next, and fixed width works very simple. The thing is, irrespective of where is hyphen, where is dot, it's irrespective of all this, wherever you will click it will create a separation. You need to click in this section and it will create a separation. If you want to remove the separation that you have done, double click, and you may move this also, left click and move it. Click on next and then finish. You may see the separation has been created. However, in this kind of data this is not that much useful. No need to worry, I've got the data where it will be useful. So let's move to concatenate. Here you may see that 91 is there in front of every mobile number. I want to remove that 91. So I've made the selection, going to text to column. Here it's delimited, I've selected fixed width. Look, I can't give delimited because if I'm going to give 1, then in place of 1 separation will be created, but 1 could be there in the mobile number as well. So I've selected fixed width, next, and through fixed width this is something very easy. Click over here where you want to create the separation, and then next, and then finish. Done. Now another important aspect is that whenever we are creating a separation, we got the idea that we are hampering the actual data. So this is not the case. You are having the option where you may keep your data as it is. How to do that? Go to text to column. I've selected delimited. Next, okay, in other I have given dot where I want to create the separation, then next, and here the destination cell is A2, which is this one. That's the reason answer is coming over here. So set your cursor over here and give a separate destination. So I have selected A11 now and finish. So you will see that you have got the output in different cell which you have selected, and your actual data is as it was previously. Okay, and another important thing, text to column is very helpful in case of date also. So here look, my system date format is month, day and year, and in most of the system this is the date format. So if you are typing a date which is 9th of April 2010, because here in India we have got the habit of writing the day first, then month, then year. If it is the case, then this is the wrong date. This is not 9th of April 2010, it has become 4th of September 2010. So go to home, click on this, this dialog box will open. Here it's date, select the format that you want, click on OK. So you will find that it's not 9th of April 2010, it's 4th of September 2010. Another kind of mistake that happens, like I am typing 14th of April 2010. Now this has not been even considered into date. Here you may see it's general. However, here it's date, but that's a wrong date. If this is the case, then you may apply text to column. Select, go to data, text to column, delimited, it's fine. Next, don't give anything here, then next. Here you may see the date option. You need to this is the radio button actually, so you need to select the date option, and here it's MDY, that is month, day and year. You need to do the selection of DMY, day, month and year. Destination cell, I am going to select this one and finish. So this has been converted into date. I'm going to home, you may see that, and I'm giving this format so that you can understand this. So yes, this is the correct date, that is 9th April 2010, 14th April 2010. So this is how you need to make use of text to column in order to take care of data as well as date. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.